We will be replacing the map lights on this 2007 Ford Mustang with all new colored LED lights from Low Lighting. The map light assembly is located here and is easy to remove. With your thumbs on the front of the assembly and your fingers on the back, pull the assembly down from the back first. Now we can access the bulbs. You can remove the bulb by pulling the socket straight out of the assembly, and then pull the bulb straight out of the socket. We will be replacing it with this all-new LED light from Low Lighting. You can see that the base of the LED light is the same shape and size as the halogen bulbs. Install the new LED bulb by pushing it straight into the socket, and then the socket into the assembly. Now we will repeat these steps on the other side. And then push the assembly straight in. Here's the 2007 Ford Mustang with all new red LED map lights from Low Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Low Lighting.